Box number 4. Yep, cut that. That looks like it was already removed. And what do we got in box number 4? Some premium cars. Got cool green Honda Civic Type R, Mercedes AMG A35 4MATIC, and a Jaguar F-Type. And then, nice, you just got some duplicates down there. Ooh. Got some nice ones here. That's a nice Mercedes-Benz E-Class. And you got a Lamborghini Huracan. And you got the McLaren Senna. Nice. Very nice. 3 models. And there, hopefully there's a variety, or they're probably all duplicates. Ooh, nope, we got a variety here. Got the Mercedes AMG GTR, Chevrolet Corvette, that's nice, and Toyota GR Supra. Very nice cars. Oh. Then we've got Aston Martin Vantage GT8. Bentley Continental, interesting pink. You got a Land Rover Defender 90. Another nice set of cars there. See if the bottoms are some more, or there's a variety. See if there's more, or if they're just duplicates. No, we got some more for you. A Kia performance car. Looks like the Stinger. Got a Ford Raptor. And Dodge SRT Viper. And then the last set we've got. Ooh. We've got Chevrolet Camaro.
3 of those.
Got 3 of them there. And then we've got, ooh, we got a VW Golf GTI. That is nice. And then it looks like we've got a chase car. A gold edition Mercedes AMG GTR. I believe that is a chase car. Looks like it has rubber tires. Yep, I believe that might be a chase car for Majorette here. Very, very nice. And of course, it's gold edition. What a fitting color for a chase car. Found the gold. And that's box number 5?
4?
4, I think. Whatever. It was a really cool box and a good variety of cars. So.